Okay, so here I'm going to show you how to import token. Right, in order for you to import token into your metamask wallet, there are a number of things that you need to know. First of all, you need to know the name of the token. That's the first thing you need to know. You need to have what we call the contract address of the token. You need to have the symbol. You need to know the number of decimal places that that token has. And then when you have all this, you need to ask yourself, this token, is it on a smart chain network, or is it an Ethereum network, or Polygon, or what have you? Basically, we shall be talking about the smart chain network because it is very it has low fees, low gas fees. I don't too much like to use the Ethereum network because of the gas fee is too much, right? So now in my metamask wallet, okay, you find this where I have import tokens. So you click on import tokens, and once you click on import tokens, you have the search, and then you have the custom token. So you click on the custom token, and then you have a token address. So you are going to place the token address. Okay, I have my token address here, so I'll just place here. And then you have the token symbol. Do we have the token symbol? Maybe not yet, but I'll just click on the token symbol and the token will automatically come out. Once I click here, the token will automatically come out, and the token decimal will automatically come out. And I'm just going to click on import. And once I click on import, the token will show here. So this is how I actually import token, or this is how we actually import token into our metamask wallet. Sometimes you have to go to CoinMarketCap and import those tokens from CoinMarketCap. This is in case where you don't have the contract address. So in my next video, I'll be showing you how to get a contract address from CoinMarketCap and import this token into your metamask wallet.